Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is going to be a testing update of the GNET Geon 2 dashcam, and I'd like to show how the security LED works, how to disable it, and some potential design flaws that I've discovered. So right now I'm standing in front of my Crown Vic, directly in front of the dashcam. I've got it mounted right there on the right in front of the rear view mirror. And so right now you can see that the security LED is pulsing left to right like the Night Industries 2000. And let me give you a close-up shot of it. So that can be pretty neat depending on your application if you're going to leave it in parking mode, and that could be enough to thwart a potential burglary attack or whatever. Alright, so now let me show you the security LED on the rear camera. Alright, right now I'm standing directly behind the car, and the rear camera is mounted at the top of the rear window. And let me turn that off, and you can barely see the LED. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move around to the right side of the car and give you a close-up look of it. So I just walked around to the right side, and you can see that it's plenty visible from being on the right side of the car because the light is on the right side of the camera. Now what happens is, so now I'm back standing in the center, and what I'm going to do is I'm not even going to take a step. All I'm going to do is I'm going to shift my head over about 1 foot and watch what happens. Okay, so now you can see the LED is on, and I'm going to move my head just over a bit. Now you can see that the light is completely not visible, and that's all I've done. I've just moved my head. So basically what I'm trying to say is you can only see the security LED from directly behind very faintly, and then you can see it very well from the right side. But from the left side over here you can't see anything. So I'm going to say this is a design flaw, because the whole point of having a security LED is to let people know behind the car that there's a camera recording. So my first thought was, well, maybe they should have put the LED on the front of the camera, right in front of the lens, so you could see it. But then I realized if there's a light, it's going to reflect off the rear window, and it'll probably blind the camera. So I think what they need to do is they need to put a second LED on the left side of the camera, just so you can see it on the left side. Alright, now let's head in the car. I want to show how to disable them. Let me turn that off. Okay, so, well, I should probably show you the camera too. So that's it right there, up on the windshield. And in order to disable it, you gotta get into your the app. So I've got it on my iPhone here, and I gotta turn on the Wi-Fi, select the camera, and we're connected. And then I've got to open the app, and we get a voice activation or a voice notification that we're connected. And then now I get into settings, and then you can see it right there, security LED. So I'm going to turn that off, and then we're going to back out. Yes.
Setting changed and reboot. Shut down the system.
So whenever you make changes, even a small change like that, the camera has to shut off and reboot. So that's another reason why I want to show this, is in real time how long it takes to make these changes. And we can see the cameras coming back online. The red LED is the camera recording.
Start recording. GPS connected.
And the blue LED is the indicator to tell you that the GPS is connected. Alright, so let's go take a look at the lights. Okay, now let me turn this on. Okay, so there's the camera right there, and we can see that the security LED is off. Now let's go look at the rear camera. Okay, the rear camera security LED is still on. So this is what I'm talking about. That is the potential design flaw. When you want to turn the security LED off, it only works on the front camera. It does not work on the rear camera. So hopefully they can fix that with a firmware update, and maybe they can get the security LED to turn off when you disable it like it's supposed to work. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.